Are you looking for the fuse box location in your Hyundai Creta 2020 to 2023? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your sedan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box location. The Hyundai Creta 2020 to 2022 passenger compartment fuse box diagram is a comprehensive reference guide that provides a complete layout of the interior fuse box, showing the exact position, identification, and amperage rating of every fuse and relay responsible for protecting the vehicle's electrical and electronic systems. It enables vehicle owners, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts to quickly locate the correct fuse when diagnosing electrical faults, replacing a blown fuse, or carrying out routine maintenance. The diagram covers a wide range of interior components, including the instrument cluster, infotainment and navigation system, touchscreen display, audio unit, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, steering wheel controls, smart key and push-button start system, USB charging ports, wireless charging pad, air conditioning controls, blower motor, interior lighting, sunroof, rear view camera, parking sensors, airbags, ABS and ESC control modules, electronic parking functions, and the body control module. Each fuse is clearly labeled with its corresponding circuit and current rating, eliminating guesswork and reducing the risk of installing an incorrect replacement fuse that could damage sensitive electrical components. The well-organized diagram simplifies electrical troubleshooting by allowing users to quickly trace protected circuits, identify overloaded or malfunctioning systems, and safely restore vehicle functionality with minimal downtime. It also serves as a valuable maintenance tool by helping verify fuse conditions during regular inspections, ensuring every electrical circuit is properly protected and operating as intended. In addition, the diagram makes it easier to understand how various electrical systems are interconnected, allowing technicians to diagnose complex electrical issues more efficiently. The clearly arranged fuse numbering improves accessibility and helps reduce repair time when servicing the vehicle. It also assists in confirming the correct fuse specification before replacement, ensuring that each circuit receives the proper level of electrical protection. For owners performing DIY maintenance, the diagram provides a dependable reference that minimizes errors and promotes safe servicing practices. Whether you are repairing an electrical issue, installing new accessories, performing preventive maintenance, or simply understanding the vehicle's electrical distribution system, the passenger compartment fuse box diagram provides an accurate and reliable reference that improves repair efficiency, enhances safety, extends the lifespan of electrical components, and helps maintain the dependable performance of all interior electrical and electronic systems in the Hyundai Creta 2020 to 2022. The Hyundai Creta 2023 passenger compartment fuse box diagram is a comprehensive reference guide that provides a complete layout of the interior fuse box, displaying the exact location, identification, and amperage rating of every fuse and relay that safeguards the vehicle's electrical and electronic systems. It is designed to help vehicle owners, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts quickly identify the correct fuse when diagnosing electrical faults, replacing a blown fuse, or performing routine maintenance. The diagram covers a broad range of interior components, including the fully digital instrument cluster, infotainment and navigation system, touchscreen display, premium audio system, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, steering wheel controls, smart key and push-button start system, USB charging ports, wireless charging pad, automatic climate control, blower motor, ambient and interior lighting, sunroof, rear view camera, surround view monitor, parking sensors, electronic parking brake, airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, driver assistance and safety features, the body control module, and various electronic control units that manage the vehicle's comfort, convenience, and safety functions. Every fuse is clearly marked with its corresponding circuit and amperage value, eliminating guesswork and minimizing the risk of installing an incorrect replacement fuse that could damage sensitive electrical components. The well-organized layout simplifies electrical troubleshooting by allowing users to quickly trace protected circuits, identify overloaded or malfunctioning systems, and restore vehicle functionality safely with minimal downtime. It also serves as an essential maintenance reference by helping verify fuse conditions during routine inspections and ensuring every electrical circuit remains properly protected. In addition, the diagram provides a better understanding of how the vehicle's electrical systems are interconnected, making complex diagnostics faster and more efficient for professional technicians. The clearly arranged fuse numbering and circuit labels improve accessibility, reduce repair time, and help ensure the correct fuse specification is used during replacement. Engine compartment fuse box location. The Hyundai Creta 2020-2022 engine compartment fuse box diagram is a comprehensive guide that illustrates the exact layout, identification, and function of every fuse and relay located inside the engine bay fuse box. It plays a vital role in protecting the vehicle's electrical and electronic systems by helping users quickly identify the correct fuse or relay responsible for a specific circuit during maintenance or troubleshooting. The diagram clearly labels each fuse with its amperage rating and assigned function, making it easy to locate circuits related to the engine management system, fuel injection system, starter motor, alternator, battery charging system, ignition system, cooling fan, radiator fan, fuel pump, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, electric power steering, air conditioning compressor, horn, windshield washer motor, front and rear lighting systems, daytime running lights, fog lamps, and other essential electrical components. By providing a clear visual reference, the diagram significantly reduces the time required to diagnose blown fuses, replace faulty relays, or perform routine inspections, while also helping prevent incorrect fuse replacement that could damage sensitive electrical components. Each fuse is carefully selected to protect its corresponding circuit from excessive current, electrical overloads, and short circuits, ensuring reliable operation of the vehicle's most important systems and minimizing the risk of expensive electrical repairs. The engine compartment fuse box is manufactured using a robust, heat-resistant, and weather-resistant housing that is specifically designed to withstand high engine temperatures, moisture, dust, road debris, and continuous vibration, keeping the internal electrical connections clean, secure, and well protected under demanding driving conditions. The secure cover protects against dust and moisture while allowing easy fuse access. The Hyundai Creta 2023 engine compartment fuse box is a vital part of the vehicle's electrical system, serving as the primary power distribution and protection center for many of the vehicle's most important electrical and electronic components. Located under the hood for convenient access during maintenance and repairs, it contains a combination of standard blade fuses, high-capacity cartridge fuses, fusible links, and relays that regulate and protect high-current circuits throughout the vehicle. It supplies and safeguards essential systems such as the engine management system, fuel injection system, ignition system, cooling fan, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, electric power steering, air conditioning compressor, battery charging system, headlights, daytime running lights, horn, windshield washer system, transmission control system, and other engine-related electrical components. Each fuse is carefully rated to protect its corresponding circuit from electrical overloads, short circuits, and voltage spikes, helping prevent damage to expensive electronic modules and wiring. The fuse box is enclosed within a durable, weather-resistant housing that protects the internal components from moisture, dust, dirt, and engine heat, ensuring reliable operation in a wide range of driving conditions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.